Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam and today I'm gonna show you how to change a playlist name on SoundCloud. So first of all, we're gonna just enter the app and make sure that you update it to the last version. Again, you need to update it. Okay, the next step, you're gonna just go to your home. It will appear like this. You're gonna go to your library. Next, you will go to playlist, right? So you're gonna go to your all the playlists that you've created and choose the one that you want to change the name, and you're gonna click the three lines at the top left, I guess. So we're gonna click on it. All right, and you're gonna see an option. It's called edit playlist. So we're gonna click and change this playlist name into whatever you want. Let's say I will just type example, okay, and save it. If you want to add a picture as well, you might as well do that. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.